Today we will learn how to add VintaSoft Web PDF document editor to an ASP.NET Core application and edit PDF document in ASP.NET Core application. First of all, we should create a new project of ASP.NET Core Web App, Model View Controller Type in Visual Studio 2026. Let's add references to the VintaSoft assemblies from VintaSoft nuget-packages. Locate the project in Solution Explorer, right-click the Dependencies node, select Manage nuget-packages menu in Context menu. In the NuGet Package Manager, dialog navigate to the Browse tab, enter vintasoft.imaging.pdf.asp.netcore.api controllers text in Search Text field. Select vintasoft.imaging.pdf.asp.netcore.api controllers. Nuget package in the package list and click the Install button. Reference to the vintasoft.imaging.pdf.asp.netcore.api controllers. Nuget package is added to the ASP.NET Core project. Add reference to the vintasoft.imaging.pdf.office. Nuget package the same way. Add reference to the vintasoft.imaging.drawing.skia-sharp. Nuget package the same way. Add reference to the system.io.packaging. Nuget package the same way. Open program.cs file and add C# code that specifies that Skia-sharp should be used as a drawing engine for drawing of 2D graphics. Let's create web service that allows to upload/download file. Press the right mouse button on the Controllers folder and select the Add, then Controller menu from Context menu. Select Empty API Controller Template, set the controller name to the My VintaSoft File API controller, and press the Add button. Specify that My VintaSoft File API controller class is derived from VintaSoft File API controller class. Let's create web service that allows to manage image collections. Press the right mouse button on the Controllers folder and select the Add, then Controller menu from Context menu. Select Empty API Controller Template. Set the controller name to the My VintaSoft Image Collection API Control earlier and press the Add button. Specify that My VintaSoft Image Collection API Control EAR class is derived from VintaSoft Image Collection API Controller class. Let's create web service that allows to get information about images, get thumbnails, render image tiles, extract/search text. Press the right mouse button on the Controllers folder and select the Add, then Controller menu from Context menu. Select Empty API Controller Template, set the controller name to the My VintaSoft API controller, and press the Add button. Specify that My VintaSoft Image API controller class is derived from vintasoft.imaging.asp.netcore.api controllers.vintasoft Image API controller class. Let's create web service that allows to work with PDF document. Press the right mouse button on the Controllers folder and select the Add, then Controller menu from Context menu. Select Empty API Controller Template, set the controller name to the My VintaSoft PDF API controller, and press the Add button. Specify that My VintaSoft PDF API controller class is derived from vintasoft.imaging.pdf.asp.netcore.api controllers.vintasoft PDF API controller class. Let's open program.cs file and add C# code that registers the evaluation version of VintaSoft Imaging.NET SDK for usage in Windows. You can get the evaluation license for VintaSoft Imaging.NET SDK as described in VintaSoft's documentation. Let's add JavaScript libraries to the project. Add the www.root/lib/VintaSoft folder to ASP.NET Core application. Copy files vintasoft.shared.js, vintasoft.imaging.js, vintasoft.imaging.css, vintasoft.imaging.pdf.js, and vintasoft.imaging.pdf.css from GitHub to the folder. Let's use ready-to-use standard Bootstrap dialog in VintaSoft Web PDF document editor. Bootstrap and jQuery libraries are already added to the project. Copy files vintasoft.imaging.dialogs.bootstrap.js and vintasoft.imaging.pdf.dialogs.bootstrap.js from GitHub to the VintaSoft folder. Let's add JavaScript code that allows to create web PDF document editor and open PDF document for viewing and editing. Create folder www.root/uploaded image files/session ID and copy any PDF document to the folder. This document will be displayed in web PDF document editor. Open file index.cshtml. Add references to used JavaScript libraries. Add HTML markup, a div element that will display web PDF document editor, to the web view. Open site.css file and add CSS style for PDF document editor container to the site.css file. Open file site.js, add JavaScript code that creates web PDF document editor and opens PDF document for viewing and editing. Now let's take a look at our code that creates web PDF document editor and opens PDF document for viewing and editing. Here is JavaScript code that specify web services which should be used in this ASP.NET Core application. Here is JavaScript code that creates settings for web PDF document editor. Here is JavaScript code that creates web PDF document editor. Here is JavaScript code that opens PDF document in web PDF document editor. Let's run the ASP.NET Core application. Chrome displays web page with VintaSoft Web PDF Document Editor that displays PDF document. Let's change PDF document in VintaSoft Web PDF Document Editor. Let's redact PDF document in VintaSoft Web PDF Document Editor. Let's export changed PDF document to a local computer. Let's convert PDF document to a PDF/A format and validate PDF/A document. Let's compress PDF document and compare size of source and compressed PDF documents. In this video, we learned how to open, view, and edit PDF document in Web PDF Document Editor in ASP.NET Core application using VintaSoft Imaging.NET SDK. More information about VintaSoft Imaging.NET SDK can be obtained on our website.